Let's talk about keeping teams accountable without micromanaging. Do you ever feel torn between wanting to trust your team and needing to keep things on track? Do you ever feel torn? Well, let me share. Here's how to build accountability without becoming a micromanager. And it's a difficult one, I know. And why does it matter? Leaders can often fall into one of two traps, which is micromanaging every move, which massively kills motivation. You've probably already seen that in your culture. Or stepping back completely, which risks missed targets, and that can be really painful to the business. So the key is creating a culture where accountability thrives naturally, where team members own their results and they're responsible for it because they care, not because they're being chased or bullied or pressured. So I'm going to share with you some top tips, 5 ways to keep teams accountable without micromanaging every single one of them. So first of all, number 1, set clear expectations from the start. Clarity is key, and define what success looks like, because ambiguity creates excuses, clarity creates accountability. And then number 2, agree on SMART goals, measurable goals and checkpoints. Use shared dashboards and scoreboards. I talk about this regularly on here. Having a scoreboard or dashboard is so important in your business. If you want to know more about that, please get in touch, alison@ajlakes.com, because that is key to keeping the focus. So use shared dashboards, scoreboards, or weekly updates. Not surprise inspections, that never works. And then visibility beats control, so which is amazing. And then number 3, empower ownership, not permission seeking. Give people responsibility and authority to make decisions within the remit of what they're doing in their roles. And then trust fuels initiative. Number 4, coach through questions, not commands. So instead of "have you done this?" try "what progress have you made? And what's next? What's your next task?" Because this shifts the focus from compliance to actually growing the team and your business. And number 5, celebrate your wins. You must do this. So many people don't do this. Entrepreneurs are the worst ones for it, just saying. But celebrate your wins and learn from misses together, because recognition reinforces the right behaviours. And when things go wrong, treat it as learning. Treat it as data, not drama. So key takeaways I want you to take from this is true accountability doesn't come from control, bullying, or pushing. It comes from connection, clarity, and trust in your team. And when your team feels supported and responsible, they'll surprise you with what they can actually achieve. You'll be absolutely amazed. And it's really powerful. They've got to have the training though first as well, just saying. So how do you keep your team accountable without hovering or micromanaging? It'd be great to know. So drop your favourite strategy below and let's see what you do to keep your team accountable and responsibility for the KPIs in your business. So I look forward to hearing more from you. alison@ajlakes.com if you've got any questions. And please remember, our mission is to help 1 million busy business owners, managers and teams to live your best lives by being emotionally, physically, mentally and financially free from your lives, from your businesses. So help us to get there by sharing. Sharing is caring, and our vision is to make hospitality a leading career choice in the UK because it's the most amazing industry, and I am a little bit biased, I know. And obviously, the second one, if you know me already, is to eradicate homelessness by having the AJLX Foundation Homeless into Hospitality. So please help us to create our vision and our mission and get us there, and sharing is caring. So if you've got any questions, please get in touch, and don't forget to pop your favourite strategy below of how you ensure that the finances are held in responsibility of your team. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for listening. Take care. Bye bye.